Today we have to discuss the nomenclature of enantiomers related in the optical isomerisms. In today's sessions, we have to discuss the RS system nomenclature for optical isomers or given enantiomers. Detail account related with the RNS systems we have to discuss here. Like there some rules can involve Paralog system rules implementing for identification of the nomenclature of given example of optical isomers in the form of R and S. Here R stand for Reinsters, which indicate the Greek word towards the right side, and S stand for Sinster. Sinster indicating, as per the Greek language, Greek word Sinster, indicating for left side, towards left sides. Means here in RNS nomenclature systems, it's totally depend on your eye movement. Your eye movement from top priority group to the lower priority groups towards right side or clockwise directions, which indicating the configurational isomer is R. Whereas the rotation of your eye movement from top priority to lower priority towards left side, that is anti-clockwise direction, then it indicate the configurational isomeric form is S isomeric form. This R and S configurations we have to details in further slide. We have to study it in details. So the naming for enantiomers with the help of R and S system. R indicate for Reinster and S for Sinster. So how do we name an enantiomers? There is some problems. How can we look at two Lewis structures and decide if they present two identical compounds or pair of enantiomers? Then how can we name them particular enantiomers? So for naming this type of structures, Lewis structures, here asymmetric carbon centers and along with four different groups having different priority. So this type of compounds or this type of structures was given, or this type of enantiomers are given to you for naming purpose. How we can name them? So for naming these isomers, let's take a drive through the RS scan, CK Ingold and V Prelogs. Give the assigning system in the form of R and S. The total naming systems was introduced in 1956 with the help of these three scientists, that is Scan, Ingold, Prelog systems. That naming system indicating Scan, Ingold, Prelog systems. With the help of these systems, we have to assign the R and S nomenclature for the concerned enantiomers. They give some idea how the particular configurations given to the enantiomers. They decided some rules. There are two rules they are given to give the name in the form of RNS. First rule is sequence rule and second is conversion rules. First of all, we have to discuss here with sequence rules. Here sequence means whatever the atoms attached to the asymmetric centers, means these four different attachments, assigning the priority of these four different groups on asymmetric carbon atom. That rule is called as the sequence rules. Sequence of whatever the groups attached to the asymmetric carbon atoms. So firstly, there are some steps involved in the determination of priority. In the sequence rule, the first rule, assign a priority to 4 atoms or group of atoms bonded to the tetrahedral stereogenic center. That is a symmetric center. This is a first step for sequence rule, or first rule of can involve Prelog systems. That is assigning the priority, step 1. That is called as sequence rule. In that, the first rule in sequence, if 4 atoms are different one, then the priority is determined on the basis of atomic numbers. Means those having higher atomic numbers gives highest priority to that particular atoms who is directly attached to the asymmetric centers. For example, here asymmetric center, hydrogen, chlorine, bromine, and this oxygen instead of hydroxy. This oxygen is directly attached to the asymmetric carbon atoms. Means those having higher atomic number. In this case, in these examples, which one having the highest atomic number out of hydrogen, chlorine, bromine, and oxygen? कोणाची priority जास्त आहे? Which groups having higher priority?
Bromine.
Bromine. As per the atomic number, the first priority group is bromine. After that, chlorine, then oxygen of hydroxy groups, and hydrogen of asymmetric carbon atom substituted hydrogen gives fourth priority. Means as per the first rule of sequence, highest priority groups we have to identify on the basis of atomic number. Is that clear? There is some problem related with the same atoms who's directly attached to asymmetric carbon atom. In that case, we have to enable to determine the priority. In that case, there is second rule in sequence. They are given by Ken Ingold Prelog system. For example, here this is a asymmetric center. Chlorine is present. This methyl part is present, and this ethyl part. In this case, this chlorine is directly attached, no doubt. Hydrogen is directly attached. There is no additions. But here this carbon is directly attached to the asymmetric center, and these carbons. Means which group is present? Chlorine, one carbon, another carbon, and hydrogens. As per the first rule, this goes first highest atomic number, and this is lowest. And this carbon having similar atomic number. So unable to identify the priority of this two carbon atom who's directly attached to asymmetric center. In that case, the comparisons we have to working on the basis of other atom who's directly attached to this carbon atoms. Here, 3 hydrogens, but in this ethyl group, 1 carbons and 2 hydrogens. Means if you compare with this methyl and this ethyl group, here 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen in ethyl, whereas in this carbon only 3 hydrogen. Hydrogen having atomic number is 1, carbon having 6. So the methyl group is lowest priority than the ethyl due to the adjacent atoms or group of atoms which directly attached to the atoms to the asymmetric carbon atom. So the priority goes to the second with ethyl groups and third with methyl groups. If first implementing first rules. If the atomic number is same, then move only with the adjacent atoms attached to the directly attached to asymmetric atoms, asymmetric center atoms. So in the group, in this example, the methyl groups, the second atom is hydrogens, whereas ethyl groups, the second atoms are carbon and two hydrogens. So on the basis, the ethyls having more priority than ethyl groups. So the priority is chlorine first, ethyl group second, third with methyl, and fourth with hydrogens. In this way, we have to assign the priority with the help of first and second rule. There is another chances if double bond is present or triple bond is present to the asymmetric centers, then what will happen? Will you identify? Let us consider the particular atom A has equivalent to 2 or 3 bonds to particular A atom. So directly attached to the asymmetric center. For example, here asymmetric center along with this oxygens, this carbon, this hydrogen, and this carbon is directly attached to the asymmetric center. No doubt oxygen having first priority, so this group is first priority. Second priority is unable to identify because two carbon atoms having same atomic number as per the first rule, and hydrogen having fourth priority. This group having lowest priority. But in this second and third position, there are similar atoms who directly attached to the asymmetric center. But here, which atom is attached? One oxygen. For example, here one oxygen and two hydrogens are attached to directly attached to these carbon atoms. Whereas here double bond is present. Double bond indicating same atom. Which type of double bond? C double bond O, indicating this type of substitution was happen with this carbon atoms. Double bonded carbon atom convert into look like here conversion in the form of C double bond OH in the form of this single bond treated as a similar atom. So here two oxygens with this double bonded carbonyl compound, whereas one oxygen with this CS2OH atoms. So the priority goes to two atoms present on carbonyl carbon atoms. So the priority goes always higher side than this another carbon atom. So the priority in this example is one with oxygen containing hydroxy groups. No doubt first priority because as per the atomic number, oxygen having 8 atomic number, whereas carbon is 6. So the first priority goes to hydroxy groups, whereas second priority with the double bonded oxygen atom, and third priority. These are the three rules come under the sequence rules. First is on the basis of atomic number, you have to assign the priority. Higher priority atomic number, higher priority. Second rule, if similar atom attached to the asymmetric center, then adjacent atom you have to consider for assigning the priority. And third rule, if double bond or triple bond is present in the structures who directly attached to the asymmetric center, then this double or triple bond did atoms treated as a single atoms look like in these examples. These are the sequence. Now, second rule, that is conversion rules. Conversion rule means after assigning the priority, we have to assign the configurational name in the form of R and S. This is the second step as per the CAN INGOL Prelog system. First step is sequence rule. Second step is conversion rules. So in this conversion rules, arrange the molecules so that the group of the lowest priority, means fourth number priority group is pointing away from you, and observe the arrangement of the remaining groups. Here the lowest priority group you have to assign here far away from you, and remaining priority groups you have to observe the arrangements. Here the highest priority 1, 2 and 3. In this example 1, 2 and 3. Here your eye movement 1 to 2, 2 to 3 in left side or anti-clockwise direction, then it designated the configuration as a S configuration. That is, movement of your eyes from 1 to 2, 2 to 3 towards left side or anti-clockwise directions. Then the naming system as per the RS nomenclature, it gives the name as a yes configurations. Whereas the rotation of your eye movement from top priority 1 to 2, 2 to 3 in right side directions, or clockwise direction, then designated with sign R. This is a conversion rule. Depend on priority. First sequence rule, with the help of sequence rule, we assign the priority. Once assigned, rearrange the structure, lower priority groups far away. You have to return far away from the your side, and remaining structure, remaining items present on asymmetric center, we have to arrange properly. If the direction is counterclockwise or anti-clockwise, it's designated as yes. Here, the structure of S configuration 1 to 2, 1, 2, 3. In this way, you have to give the name. Now, next with assigning the priority to groups, you have to observe some examples, highest priority groups to the lowest priority groups. Here, highest priority methoxy, if you compare with these examples with these groups, highest priority in these groups is OCS3 groups, then OH, then nitrogen NH3S3, then only amines, then carbon atoms who's directly attached to the any higher priority groups, then gives highest priority. Here hydroxy groups with 2 carbon atoms. Here hydroxy group but 1 carbon and 1 hydrogen, means lowest priority. Here carbon with 1 hydroxy group. Here carbon with 3 hydrogens, and hydrogens is lowest priority group because the first member of periodic table is hydrogens. First atomic number is hydrogens. So lowest priority always with hydrogens. Some groups with double bonds, aldehyde gives highest priority, then alcohols, then alkenes and alkenes is the lowest priority. In the double bonded, the lowest priority always goes with the alkenes rather than the alkenes, alkynes, alcohols, aldehyde, apart from other groups. Here, once again, given the slide related with the conversion of bonds. Aldehydes, they convert into single atoms. Whatever the bond between particular atoms, they treated as a single atom. Similarly, with ketones, 1 chlorine and 2 oxygen atoms, whereas in alkenes triple bond असल्यामुळे it will give 3 carbon atoms. In alkenes 2 carbon atoms. There are some problems for solving or identification of RNS configurations. All of it practice these problems with the help of sequence rule as well as conversion rules by implementing can involve Prelog systems rules. That is conversion rule for assigning priority groups, and sequence rule is applying for priority, whereas conversion rule applying for RNS configuration identification.